Y'all see this? A little bit. Look at this. The food truck. Oh, look, y'all, they got a coffee thing. Look, got the food truck behind it. Hey. They got the price.
Y'all want to share breakfast?
Yeah.
Or you want to walk?
Keep walking.
Okay, we're going to come back. This is a pretzel or funnel cake?
So I eat a funnel cake.
I want a pretzel.
No, we have to do function thing. Oh, I want. That's it. I want that. Yeah, I want that. See? Oh yeah, let's keep going. They got chicken crackers. So, what is this thing called? This is little. They got fish tacos. Look. Ooh, they got a whole bunch of stuff over there. We have this food truck method. Slide down. All types. That's what I'm saying.
It looks like they got some inside. We go inside too.
Yeah, we sure can. They got meatballs. Oh, they got daiquiri shack, yo. Yo, they got palm trees out there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they got a whole daiquiri. They got strawberry colada, tiger's blood. It's nice. They got a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, it's like $10 for one. Oh, they got loaded fries and more. See, look. So, y'all want to walk inside? Oh, they got loaded fries. They got fresh lemonade. Yeah, this food vendor truck and slide there is nice. Look at this, snowballs and catering food truck. That's a whole line for lemonade. Smash burgers. So they got whole vendors. Ooh, Lord. Yeah, it's a little hot out here. So I got a little sweatpants. Y'all enjoying yourself? Yep. Look. Yo, we out here.
I used to walk you home. I used to hold your feet.
So we all taking pictures. Look at this.
Every time it rains, you cry so hard.
All right, let's walk inside. Alright, we're gonna go inside this place. Oh, they got grill masters over there.
Oh, barbecue?
Yeah.
I used to hold you on my back. Now you're trying to make believe. You're no deal like that. Hello, Josephine.
I don't know who playing the music, but it's something.
They talk about some on the stage. I don't see no stage.
That is the only shade though. What's in here? Oh, it look like they got free stuff. Thank you, bro. Ooh. Oh, they got vendors all up in here. Oh. Well, we in this place. Oh, let's walk around.
Oh, this is a food truck festival.
Yeah. Ooh. Period. Ooh. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm about to buy something. Oh, I want that. Oh, that's all. Look at this. I know that's right.
Let's try it.
How much?
They're $7 a piece, or they 5 for 30. You can mix match anything you want to do.
We can try one.
Yeah,
You can
anyone.
try anything.
Ooh. Oh, look, y'all. Alright, I'm about to try one real quick. Here.
Do you like spicy?
Fine.
I'm not going to make you try the Reaper because that's spicy.
Is it really spicy?
The Reaper is. Not this one. That just has a kick to it.
I'm trying it. I got YouTube channel. Dang.
Look, you didn't even talk yet.
Yeah. I'm. Thank you. Let me grab something to drink. Yo, we got kind of beef jerky. Oh, look. You gonna keep walking? That's the whole. I see. It's nice though. We're gonna come back. Look at this. We got the band in here. Y'all enjoying yourself? Oh, they got the band. I know that's right. It's nice man. I be just kind of spicy though. Oh, they got my fan. I know that's right. Oh my goodness.
You got samples? Oh, period.
Let me try cookies. I know, hey, Slidell, where the food vendor truck is nice.
You got samples?
My try sample cookies. I'm about to try this. You know. Sorry, y'all. She can bake. That's really good. I'll let you go. I'll buy it. No, it's nice.
Abundant favor.
I don't know. I might want to try it. I might want to try it. Pecan candy in Louisiana.
What's going wrong?
All right. It's nice. I'm gonna walk in. Oh, they got a whole thing in here. Fun little bus thing. Oh, this is nice art. How you doing? Look at this. Is nice. They sure did. Look at this show. But they got with my son, my brother's son, anxiety pins. Oh, dog level. Right? I'm gonna walk around outside. Thank you. You're welcome. Thanks to everyone for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the festival. Bye.